What's up, people? Today I am reviewing ArmorAll Heavy Duty Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Okay, first let's read the instructions. We want to be very clear. It says instructions for use: hold can 6 to 8 inches from cool dry wheel and thoroughly coat surface in foam. Number 2, when most of the foam turns from blue to white, roughly between 60 and 90 seconds, scrub soil using a sponge. Do not allow product to dry on surface. Number 3, thoroughly rinse using high pressure water and dry to prevent water spotting. So for the sponge, we purchased a wheel glove, a wheel wash glove, just to use for this occasion. If you're wondering how much this product costs, I just picked it up at AutoZone and they charged me $7.99. If you can see that up there in the top. That's my receipt. $7.99 for this product. So ArmorAll Heavy Duty Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Let's see if you work. Due to the number of people at the car wash that were blasting their radios and due to copyright laws, I'm going to have to narrate over what we did per the instructions on the back of the bottle. So as you can see here, the first thing we did was coat the wheel liberally. We sprayed enough product all over the wheel to make sure it foamed completely in every nook and cranny. We moved on to the other 3 wheels, which I'll discuss later on. After we waited between 60 and 90 seconds, a minute and a half, we came back and used the hand sponge that we bought, or the wheel cleaner sponge, mitt, whatever you want to call it, and we started to clean the wheel a little bit more thoroughly. Next, we power washed the wheels off. We will not dry these wheels. I want to show you what they look like without being wiped clean. I think that would be a fair assessment to show you what they look like after they have dried with just using this product and water. All right, well, we just got done washing the car. I did not dry the wheels specifically because I wanted to show you what you can expect rolling out of a car wash. I'll pick up the bottle here, show you. Okay, so I want to show you this. Again, all we did was apply the product according to the instructions and power wash it off. I did not dry the wheels. I wanted to see how much dirt was left, and I wanted to show you guys and girls how much dirt was left. It would be really pointless for me to test this product and clean the wheels good and show you how it looked after all the elbow grease. Let's just show you what it looks like after applying this. As you can see, they're still dirty. I mean, they're really dirty. Did not do a great job. I mean, I scrubbed these wheels and I sprayed them really good. I'll take you walk back here, show you the rear wheel. The rear wheel's even worse. I mean, look at this. It did not remove the dirt and the dust that it said it did. I mean, it's terrible. In the instructions, where it says hold can 6 to 8 inches from a cool dry wheel, thoroughly coat surface, we did that. When it turns from blue to white, between 60 and 90 seconds, scrub using a sponge. We did that. Do not allow the product to dry on surface. We did not allow the product to dry on the surface. Number 3, thoroughly rinse using high pressure water and dry to prevent water spotting. Now, we did not dry it because drying it would have, again, I would have used more elbow grease in removing the dirt. There's no water spots. It's just dirt left over. It's a lot of it on there. So I'm not worried about the water spots. That's a water spot. See, that's water spots right here. That is dirt that this product did not remove. So not too thrilled with the ArmorAll Heavy Duty Wheel and Tire Cleaner. All right, my final thoughts on ArmorAll Heavy Duty Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Will I use this stuff again? Doubtful, and let me explain why. One, it did not do a thorough cleaning, even with the scrubbing with the sponge that we used. It says to apply it on a, on a cool surface, cool dry wheel, which we did. Now it's 99 degrees outside. Okay, so what? You can't use this in the summertime because even in the shade, the wheels are really hot. There's a reason why that I'm not going with this product again. Second, you have to apply it. We realized at the car wash that you have to do one wheel at a time, which makes no sense. By the time I sprayed this on the first two wheels and got back around to the first wheel, it was almost dry. It was completely done. I had to reapply it and then scrub it again. With just this product and water, it did not look as good as I expected it to look, according to their picture. I do like some ArmorAll products, but this one I did not like at all. Maybe you've had better success with it. We did follow the instructions, but this is a blue collar test in a real world setting. This isn't somebody sitting in their climatized garage, spraying one wheel at a time, focusing on one wheel. In the real world, you're gonna need a product that you can take to a car wash, a public car wash, spray it on, follow the instructions, and then it's gonna do a better job than what it did. I mean, that was awful. You saw what it looked like, and what is the point of spraying it on, scrubbing down the wheel, and then drying the wheel if the dirt is still there? The dirt is still there. It did not remove the dirt as it said it was going to. So that is a big thumbs down from me. No, I do not recommend ArmorAll heavy duty wheel and tire cleaner. You may disagree, but then it's your money. Go buy it and test it yourself. That's all I got. Do me a favor before you go, hit that like button, hit that little bell notification over here in the corner. Click subscribe. Last but not least, you guys and girls be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.